Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Today I am going to share few tips about caring for cactus, and if you follow them, you are not going to get any problems. Let's start the video right away. Tips number 1. This is the most important thing and it's the potting mix. There are many ways we can do it and here is a very simple recipe. Take 3 parts coco peat, 1 part vermicompost and 1 part perlite. Since cacti are adapted to very dry environments, the potting soil mix should not hold the water for much longer time and it should drain out very fast. Here you can see me repotting one of my cactus using the same potting mix. Tips number 2. This is again one more important thing and it's about how to water your cactus. Here is how I do it. I let the complete soil dry out and then water thoroughly. Please note the excess water should drain out the bottom of the pot. In case you have any doubt, please always check the soil before watering. Also, here are some more tips. In case parts of the cactus appears shrunken, wrinkled or wilting, it probably needs more water. This is my banyan cactus which needs water immediately. It's wilting. Please be careful while dealing with banyan cactus, especially this variety. The spines are really dangerous. If you touch them, they would get into your skin easily and make you itch. But this variety is excellent. It also has spines, but they are not that strong and don't get into skin. Still be careful. In case of overwatering, cactus is going to turn yellow and become squishy. Same happens with succulents too, and here you can see one overwatered snake plant. Too much humid environment is also not ideal and cactus can become squishy in such case. Tips number 3. I am keeping all of my cactus in my balcony and at this time they get around 1 to 2 hours of direct sunlight. Different variety has different requirements and please do as needed. Too much sunlight can cause one problem known as cactus corky scab. This can also happen if humidity level is very high. So here comes the next important step. Tips number 4. What to do if you are able to spot corky scab on your cactus. I can see such problem in one of my cactus here. This year, that means in 2023, the rainfall in my place is much higher than as usual. Anyway, I am not worried as this thing doesn't require any treatment. But if this thing bothers you, you can remove the corky tissue. Same thing happened with one of my dragon fruit plant. Repotted my plant and as of now it's growing well. Tips number 5. How to fertilize. It's better to avoid using chemical nutrients. For my plants I use seaweed extract once in 25 to 30 days. The dose is 5 ml in 1 liter water. Same can be applied on succulents too and it works well. Please remember, the two most important things are number 1 proper watering and number 2 good potting mix. Having said that, on this video I have provided you one potting mix recipe. In case you want to know more and want to know about the best potting mix for succulents, please check out my next video. That's all about cactus care and I hope you found this video useful. If you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.